Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. Yeah, when I got this Goal Zero Yeti 1000X, it's a 1000 watt hour portable solar power bank. I always intended to get a second one because the point being you got to have one charging while one's in use. You need some redundancy there. Well, Black Friday, Amazon, I saw this LiPOWER portable power station, 1200 watt solar generator. And they had a $400 off coupon for Black Friday, making it $599. Yeah, I had to do that. So let's go ahead and unbox it here. It's not really a good day for solar energy. Yeah, we're going to be overcast and rains in the forecast all day. But I got the box and there's a big ding on it. So I wanted to do an unbox to make sure that the unit's okay. That's been received in good order here. So yeah, you can see that ding went all the way through into the inner carton there. That's FedEx if it absolutely has to be somewhere. All right, yeah, this is the Mars 1000 Pro, 1120 watt hours, 1200 watts on the AC outlet with a 2000 watt surge. It's got its own built-in Mppt solar charger. This is the back panel of the box explaining all the features. All right, we're going to crack open the box now. Let's see, in the top here, we've got some, that's the power brick and some accessory cables. Let's drill into that a little bit. Yeah, power brick with the AC cord. That's a 12 volt for car charging your power bank. And this is a cable for attaching to solar panels with that type of connector. Let's get the box out of the way here. A heavy unit, over 30 pounds. Let's get it out of the bag there. Oh, also in the box is this cool accessory pouch for the electrical cables there. Let's go ahead and cram all that in there. It's a tight fit, but we'll manage. Now that power brick takes up most of the space there. There we go, it all fits. And in this envelope, we've got the user guide and the warranty card. Let's drill into the specifications a little bit here. Yeah, your Anderson input and your DC input is rated at 8 amps at 25 volts. Not to exceed 200 watts on the input. They also have their operating temperatures, that's good to know. Here's your charging time, wall outlet, car outlet. They recommend using 2 of their 100-watt solar panels. Looks like you could charge it in the course of a day. Let's get a close-up of the front panel here. Yeah, there's your 3 AC outlets. Again, rated at 1200 watts with a 2000 watt surge. Press the display button to light up the display. Here's your 12 volt input. And that's the 5x2 barrel connector and the Anderson connector. PD 60 watt, USB 3 fast charge, and 2 5 volt 2.4 amp outlets. And finally, here's your DC, your 12 volt outlets. Okay, let's see what the rest of it looks like. Yeah, there's some ventilation on this side. Nothing on the back. You got a couple of fans to cool that AC inverter once you fire that up. Yeah, I'm planning on having an off-grid work day, power my entire office and the internet, etc., and see how I fare running one of these. I'll even make my coffee, etc. So stay tuned. Anyway, leave a comment down below on what you think about these solar power banks. Give this video a like, and before you go watch more of my portable solar solution videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.